Hi, I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney. Welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. This is an episode of Anne's Digital Kitchen, and today we're going to be talking all about lentils. Now, lentils are a fabulous, fabulous food. They are rich in protein. They have a whole slew of minerals like iron and potassium that we all need for our bodies, and they're really rich in fiber. And best thing of all, they are super cheap. Now, it's quite easy to think about lentils only being those kind of mushy grey soups that you get in the salad bar. Well, they're a lot more than that. There's all kinds of different sorts. There are green lentils, which are good for pureeing, and there are red lentils, which are used all over the Near and Far East and in a lot of South Asian cooking to make dals and all kinds of different soups, which are really fabulous, and they cook in like no time at all. And then there's French lentils, which are little green ones, and they hold their shape and they're great for making salads. And the thing is too that you don't need to soak lentils. A lot of people think that they take a long time to cook, but you really don't need to soak them. So this is something that you can just whip up quickly. So look and learn.